long time I didn't make some vlogs for my new updates and everything else. So, but the thing is, I just do some written vlogs for my new site at Dailymotion, and I'm really thankful for everything that who's doing some comments, doing some feedback, suggestions, and anything. So I really appreciate your response from you guys. And yeah, it's just like last week ago, I just like said that I have a new shop wherein I'm selling some certified clothes of Chinito Boy, and including this hat, wink, and some shirt. So it's really crazy, and it's been a long time that I've been stuck up at my work, been stuck up from other personal things, like I have a sick or something. I did some music video, and after my birthday, it's hell, everything's happening, like been really stuck at my work since then. But right now it's August, and yeah, almost 1 week of August is passed away, and really fast. So really appreciate that you still guys watching my vlogs, and that you still guys supporting my shop. And yeah, thank you po sa lahat ng mga nag-like sa aking Chinito Boy fan page sa Facebook, and you can see it here, the link. And my shop, now if you want to visit or want to buy some Chinito Boy certified shirts and some apparels, you can see it up the link, so you can check it out. So guys, today this is my vlog about my new chinchilla. Sa mga nakakaalam or nakakatanda, tinanong ko kayo kung ano yung magandang pangalan sa aking chinchilla, because I adopted her from the rescuer of chinchillas, and masalimuot yung nangyari sa kanya. Napakalalim, talagang malungkot yung pinanggalingan ng chinchilla na to, and nagrab niya yung puso ko, kasi talagang abuse siya ng chinchilla, and now nasa akin na siya, and gusto ko bigyan ko siya ng family. And that day, naghanap din ako ng makakasama ni Dr. Sirius, because since then I was so busy at my work, and hindi ako stay sa bahay, at nalulungkot ako dahil walang kaibigan si Dr. Sirius. And now that I found something ideas na I could get someone chinchilla, so nandito siya ngayon at pinapadede. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung paano ko siya pininom ng tubig. And now Dr. Sirius nagsiselos at binigyan ko lang ng massage. They are really cute, guys, and you can check it out. Really cute. And nakakatawa kasi maraming mga nagbigay ng suggestion like Cham Cham, Champola, Shizu, ang daming pangalan, and in the end, natapos sa pangalang Amazing kasi yung pangalan niya before, and then pinalitan. Gusto ko kasi na mag-iba yung pangalan niya para makalimutan niya yung nakaraan niya na malungkot na tawag sa kanya, Amazing. Right now, I'm giving her name Veronica. Yeah, nakakatawa, diba? But the thing is, ayoko pa rin tanggalin yung nakagis na niyang pangalan, but I really working on it na gamitin yung Veronica as her name. And yeah, we're getting closer. Hindi na siya masyadong natakot sa akin, and we're playing around. And ito, kukunin ko na siya. Kailangan kukunin ko na siya. So this is Veronica. Yeah, Veronica. Meet her. Ayoko talong ka. Mamaya ka na maglaro, okay? This is Veronica. Nakakatawa, diba? Puting-puti siya kasi hanap ako ng hapon sa San Francisco ng puting chinchilla, and walang available. At siya lang available at nag-iisa. And her story is natagpuan siya sa basurahan, and inampun ng mga rescuer ng chinchilla. And then, yeah, luckily, almost a month na nag-stay siya sa adoption center, and then ampun ko sila, and nakakatawa. Nandito siya ngayon at makulit, talok ng talon. Pabalik ko na siya. So ayun, I've been working with her na magrap yung pangalan niyang Veronica, and yeah, may ako nabasa sa online na may possibility na mag-away yung dalawang chinchilla, lalo na yung bago sa isa, dahil napaka-territorial daw nila. And right now, nasa process sila ng pagiging get along. Dalawa yung cage nila, you can check it out here. Yep, you can check it out. Dalawa yung cage nila dito, at ayun yung kay Dr. Sirius, ito yung kay Amazing or Veronica, kasi gusto nila is 4 weeks sila dapat na ganyan bago sila magsama sa isang cage, kasi nga mag-aaway sila. Ito, kawawa yan si Dr. Sirius. So, hello, hi, say hi. Yeah, I know. Kawawa yan kasi lagi siyang kinakagat nito. Yeah, later on, baby. Later. Okay. Later, guys. You can go out. Kasi gabi na naman. Nag-expect siya maglalaro ulit mamaya ng labas. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Yeah. Nakakatawa sila mamaya. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga video habang sila ay nilalambing ko. So, yeah. I think that's it, guys. So, thanks for watching and yeah, subscribe and wait. And yeah, keep visiting my site. Yeah, sa mga may Facebook dyan, you can visit facebook.com/chinitoboy, or I will put the link in here and you can check out my new vlogs too for the next coming days. So right now it's my day off, so kalinis ko ng bahay. Adios. Come on, baby, you can go drink. Baby, take off. In the camera. Don't be shy, baby. Come on. Hey, baby. Come on, let's go drink. I know you're thirsty. You keep drinking some more, huh? That's cute. Wow, that's nice. You're so cute. No, nothing, go ahead. So cute. Aww. You're hella thirsty today, huh? Amazing. You're hella cute. See? Pinapainom ko siya. Kasi nauhaw na siya eh. Oh, so cute. See? Yan, taga-taga mo nang duminom kasi. Ayan. Sabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Kasi pinaglalaro mo kasi yung tubig. Ngayon, nauhaw ka na. Diba? Ano, ikaw nainggit ka din, Dr. Seuss? No, go ahead. No more? Come on. Don't be shy. You're just looking at the camera. Come on. Yeah. So guys, yeah, huwag niyo pabayaan yung pet yung gutom. Huwag niyo pabayaan yung pet yung na nauuhaw. Like her. Are you jealous, baby? Come on. Don't be jealous, baby. What about it? Just gonna give you some massage. Really? Oh. Gusto mong mamassage na? No, nothing. I'm gonna give you some massage really easy. Come on. Get some massage, baby. I know. Give me some massage. Aww. Don't worry, I still love you. Huwag ka naman magselos, baby, kasi bakit ko naman kayong dalawa eh. Diba? Alam mo, nalagay ko ng massage si Dr. Seuss. Nothing. Nagsiselos na isa. Kaya ng kainan akong ano. Come on, baby. Some massage. Later, laro kayo mamaya, okay?